In this video, I'll show you how you can delete a chat or a conversation with Gemini AI. So when we go out to this menu out on the left, we click on expand menu. We can see that our recent chats right here, down here. So if I want to delete one of these, I click on the three dots and I click on delete. And then it will come up with a pop-up window that asks me if I really want to delete the chat. This will delete the prompts, the responses, and the feedback. So this will not be able to be recreated after you have deleted it. So make sure that you don't have anything in this one that contains anything important that you want to keep. So this one does not contain anything that I want to keep, so I click on delete. And as you can see, it deleted the chat. So if I want to delete more chats, I can do the same and click on delete. And if you have a chat that you don't want to be saved, you can also click on this one and it will automatically delete after I'm done. So we'll test. And yes, I click out of the temporary chat and I click back and it's deleted.